You know, I love a good smoothie bowl in the morning for breakfast, especially on a flippin' hot day like it is today. Like, I just got out of the shower, my hair was washed, and it's like almost dry, you guys. Like, it's hot in here, and I don't have AC, so this is really great. It only takes a few minutes. It's like making a smoothie, but turning it into a delicious spoonable bowl type situation. I find that using more frozen fruit makes it more thicker and kind of more scoopable and kind of like the texture of ice cream or frozen yogurt or something. It's also really great for me right now because I am in a lot of pain right now because you guys may have watched one of my previous videos where I talked about kind of my recovery update and my my accident recovery update from a hit and run I was involved in last year, which sucked. And these last few weeks have been really rough, honestly. Like, the pain I have in my shoulder and in my back is really bad. I've hardly been able to do like any editing on my laptop. That's why I haven't really been posting a lot of videos in the last week or so, just because I've been dealing with a lot of pain. So really quick meals are what I'm about right now. So smoothie bowls are definitely something that I'm gonna be eating a lot more of this week because I'm just waiting for everything to kind of calm down, this flare-up that I'm having in my shoulder. And yeah, it sucks, but I'm pushing through, and my smoothie bowl, it helps. It helps. Hello, so it's snack time. We have some running around to do, and we gotta go get car insurance. So we're gonna go for a walk, go and do that, but for now we're eating some snacks. Got cream cheese and crackers. That vegan cream cheese I showed you guys in my last What to Eat in a Day video, it's so good. This one is a spicy chipotle cheese flavor, and it's like, Anyway, it's kind of like a smorgasbord kind of pre-lunch snack. It's very warm right now, and I'm just glad that I don't have to cook anything. That's it. See you guys at lunchtime. Oh boy. Okay, we just got back from a walk. We are very sweaty because it's very warm out, and you can literally see my hat. Oh, I got a hat mark on my forehead. Oh, that's beautiful. I got my ice cold Switcho. It's like this apple cider vinegar drink, and it's so good. This is like got a blood orange flavoring to it, but it's so refreshing and kind of citrusy, and it's fizzy, and it's like all natural, and it's so good. I'm gonna go drink this. I'm gonna catch my breath and maybe stop sweating. It is about 3:15 in the afternoon. So I'm just having some more egg salad on toast. This is really, again, it's just delicious. It's just so quick and easy to make. And I have a full recipe video right up here if you guys want to check out how to make tofu egg salad. It's so good. I have like a big bowl here that Brad's just eating straight out of. and I also have some fresh fruit. I got some mangoes, and I have some cucumber as well. I always find that around this time of year I can get these big giant boxes of mangoes for like really cheap. This will be my dessert. Plus they're very hydrating, and like I'm very thirsty right now because it's so flippin' hot out. Eat your water, you guys. Eat those veggies, eat those fruits. They have so much water in them, and if you don't love drinking water, just eat it. So it is 6:30 p.m. and I just got home from acupuncture. It has been so long since I've had an acupuncture session. Like, I haven't been there since last year, and just due to this like recent flare-up in my shoulder area, I really needed to get poked. So I don't know about you guys, but I freaking love acupuncture. Let me know if you've ever had it before, or if you're scared of trying it. Maybe I can help ease your mind a little bit and share some of my experience. But I also get cupping done usually when I'm at acupuncture, and it leaves these pretty crazy crop circles on my back. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. There you go. If it looks painful, I promise it's not. They basically apply these big giant suction cups to your injured muscle area, and that helps to bring blood to, you know, the surface and helps to just stimulate and improve your blood circulation. And oh man, oh, it feels so good. I feel like 5 times better than I did when I woke up this morning, and 10 times better than I did yesterday. So thank God for acupuncture. Honestly, it is so life-changing, and I'm so glad I went. So now I'm feeling a little more loosened up. I'm feeling a lot better. It's still very hot in here, but I'm going to go and make a really quick and delicious dinner. Tonight we're gonna have broccoli and chickpea salad, which is just so delicious and filling and perfect for a warm summerish evening. So let's go. So I love a good leafy green salad as much as the next person, but honestly, I just find that heartier salads with beans and veggies and a grain tend to fill me up a lot better. So I'm gonna make this broccoli and chickpea and quinoa salad for dinner tonight. It's super simple. I pretty much just follow a very basic formula for all my salads like this. So I usually include a protein, some veggies, and I add some flavor with spices, herbs, usually mayo and Dijon mustard or some relish. I love adding creaminess to these salads, and it just helps bind all the flavors together, and honestly, it's so delicious. It comes together in like 15 minutes or less. I don't have to cook anything if I've already got some quinoa, and you can use like any bean for protein. Any bean is fine. You can use chickpeas, you can use white beans, really whatever you have on hand. That's the beauty of these kind of throw together salads. The quinoa and the chickpeas adds bulk and protein to keep you full. This is a relatively low calorie yet very filling meal with lots of fiber and nutrition. It's honestly just so good. So I am going to enjoy this delicious salad and I think call it a night. It's getting kind of late. I doubt I'm gonna have anything for dessert, so I'm gonna eat this. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day on a warm day. I hope that you are inspired by some of the meals I eat. They're all very realistic, nothing special or planned out. This is honestly just realistic stuff that I think of in the moment and feel like eating whenever I want. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe if you're not already, guys. I have so many other delicious recipe videos for you waiting to be watched. So subscribe, and I will see you guys in a future or past video. Bye!